Today's tutorial will provide a demonstration for the assigned action screen in Track. Track may be used to record any actions ranging from internal audits and meetings to other business system requirements. I'll be showing you how to raise an action item, add all the relevant details such as attendees, dates and times, and also the reminder schedule, and finally, how to close an action item. Actions will appear in black if they've been scheduled, green if within the remind period, which can be customized, or red if overdue. We can see that we have set categories also. Upcoming audits appears first, then general action items, various meetings, monthly meetings and professional development, upcoming training, and also work instruction reviews. These fields can all be configured under the configuration taskbar to better suit your business. To raise a new action, select Actions on the Improvement taskbar, and then click New on the top toolbar. A new row will appear. Using the drop-down field on the Category tab, select the relevant option. For example, Meetings. Enter a brief description of the action. For today, we'll use Management Review Meeting. Then you need to assign an owner. This is someone who is responsible for making sure the action is carried out. Then, using the drop-down field on the Due Date tab, select the date when the action is due. So for this example, when the meeting needs to happen by. The next tab belongs to the Remind tab. This allows you to select the period for which you'd like the owner to be reminded of the action. If month is selected, the owner will be reminded every time they open Track during the months leading up to the due date. The same principle applies to week and day options. You can then save the action by selecting Save on the top toolbar. The Status tab is then populated with one of three stages: Upcoming, not yet due; Scheduled, which means it's within the remind period; and then Late if it's overdue. As this action is for a management review meeting, there will be several more attendees required aside from the owner. To add attendees, select Add Attendees on the top toolbar, and then select the desired attendees from the drop-down field in the right pane of the screen. You can do this as many times as you need to. These actions will then appear in the attendees' My Actions. So, let's say the management review has now occurred and you wish to update the status to completed. Simply highlight the action and then select Complete on the top toolbar. You'll then be prompted to reschedule the action. If you wish to reschedule, select Yes, and then a pick date window will appear. If not, simply click No and the completed tick box will then be filled. The rescheduling function is particularly useful for audits and meetings because of their repetitive nature. You're also able to add attachments to actions, such as meeting minutes or agendas. Simply click on the Links button in the top toolbar, then select New, and pick the file which you'd like to upload. Finally, to print or email reports for individual categories, simply select the required category from the category drop-down, and then select Print All or Email All. The print and email functions automatically prepare a PDF populated with the selected information, or a detailed list if you select all. This concludes the Assigned Actions screen tutorial.